Prime movers, not first but always fast mover. New innovation packing moving industry relocation world. Packers and movers Rajkot Gujarat. Easy packers and movers have been in moving and shifting service. We have been able to satisfy many of the customers by our work. We highly value your valuable property and handle your goods with extra care while moving and shifting. Best professional packers and movers Rajkot Gujarat. We have an enormous range of effective solutions with years of experience and great skills to perform your moving process smoothly. Right from dismantling, uninstalling, packing and moving of furniture, large items of everything with full safety is completed. Relocation services Rajkot Gujarat. These professional packers and movers ensure to provide hassle-free home relocation services to their customers. The company knows that you are a leader. Car transport services by car carrier Rajkot Gujarat. If you want to take the hassle of finding an agency, calling them, negotiating a rate, packing the vehicle, enduring the stress of hoping that your vehicle doesn't get damaged in transit. Bike transport by two-wheeler body scooter Rajkot Gujarat. To transport your bike, you need special carriers that can move your two-wheeler safely. Bike transport services by Rajkot Gujarat. Experts do not compromise on the quality of their work. Commercial and household goods luggage transport services Rajkot Gujarat. They are professionally trained to pack and unpack any belongings, including furniture, antiques, and art. Full service moving experts offers. Commercial complex, office, factory, industrial relocation shifting solution Rajkot Gujarat. Commercial moving providers manage all elements of a commercial move-in house. Owning the entire process results in superior quality control and security, greater transparency, cost savings. Local transporter services within city, interstate and intrastate transportation Rajkot Gujarat. Local service providers use good quality packing supplies like bubble wrap, packing paper, packing peanuts, moving pads to ensure max safety of your goods. Pet relocation services by chartered special vehicle Rajkot Gujarat. There are hundreds of details to attend to when moving a pet. We help you navigate the ins and outs of international pet relocation services, goods storage, warehousing and CO working spaces available Rajkot Gujarat. Warehouse management systems help optimize inventory and tracking, warehousing operations, workload distribution and shipping. Warehouses safely and securely store products. Commercial vehicle, factories and transit insurance Rajkot Gujarat. If your goods are being transported through a third-party vessel or carrier, then that carrier may not take the risk of damage to the goods in it. Contact us on www.cargo.in, shifting@cargo.in, Indian Prime Movers @gmail.com, and mobile number 9405410002.